let's start from the lower margin of the eyebrow, and we go down like this, a little bit down at an angle like that. See that? Down like this at an angle from here, down like that. How deep? Well, halfway, more or less at the level of the middle, the height of the head. So here we have now a change of plane. One thing you want to notice though is, sorry, I got the wrong line here. Here it is, from here to here, right, like that. One thing you want to notice is how deep this margin of the orbit is compared to the total depth of the face. So it's a little bit more than 1/3 of the total depth of the anterior half. So look, right, it's just 1, 2, 3. See that? A little bit more than 1/3. All right. So if we have this segment here, we can move this 1, 2, a little bit more than 3. An approximation, because that can vary, right? So I'm looking now at the orbit here, right? And I want to see the orbit, how it comes forward, right? It comes forward, but it doesn't go all the way to the level of that, because these two ridges, like this, the brow ridge and the zygomatic bone, are angled like this. So the alignment between these two is not along the vertical line, but an angle line. So from here to here, I eyeball the angle of alignment between these two. And now the orbit comes forward. And where is it? It's kind of at the level of the middle of the height of the nose, and that's it.